Experiencing Cricket wireless internet problems? Let's fix it. First, check for outages using the Cricket app or website to view the outage map. These outages can be caused by equipment failures, maintenance, or external factors. If there's no outage, the issue might be your APN, which is a gateway setting for mobile data. Cricket's default APN settings are as follows. To reset your APN on Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced APN. Make sure your settings match the default Cricket settings. On iOS, find it under Settings, Cellular, Cellular Data Options, APN. Ensure your settings match the default Cricket settings. Correcting a misconfigured APN resolves many data issues. For router settings, ensure you're using a Cricket-compatible LTE or 5G hotspot model. Check that the SIM card is correctly inserted and update the router's firmware to the latest version. On your phone, start with basic troubleshooting. Toggle airplane mode on and off, then forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Enable VoLTE for better call and data performance, and set your network mode to LTE or 5G preferred. Clear the cache and data for the Cricket app, and as a last resort, restart your device. For signal strength, aim for at least 3 bars. Regularly update your device software to prevent common issues. If problems persist, contact Cricket support at 1-800-CRICKET for further assistance.